Hey guys, what's good? It's your girl TJ. We back with another freaking video. We back with another freaking video. So yeah, as you guys see, I'm doing a holiday / full glam video for you guys. Now, I'm not a pro at this. I don't know what I'm doing. I just normally do my everyday makeup routine with my pink lips and no eyeshadow, but this is different. I'm just being honest. I feel a little weird and crazy and not like me, but I definitely wanted to try something different, and you guys requested that I do a holiday look and I think it was my makeup routine, everyday makeup routine. If you guys haven't seen that, also check up here. I have it in the card section. Also, this hair is the same hair I reviewed for my African Wild African, but I just curled it. But this hair, y'all, I'm telling you, it is fire. I still have the same opinion even when it has been curled. So really loving this hair as well. Yeah, as you guys see by the title, I'm doing December. I think I first saw this from Keisha Anderson. I believe she was the first one that created. She's the first one I saw that ever did something like that. And it's basically where you create videos every day up until your birthday or the entire month of your birthday month. And if you guys didn't know, I'm a okay, Sagittarius, we rock. Okay, 12/20 is my birthday, so I think I'm gonna do videos from today, December the 1st, all the way up until my birthday. I may even do the entire month of December. I don't know. I don't want y'all to hold me to that, but I know y'all gonna be getting videos every day up until my birthday. So hope you guys are gonna be seeing my face every day at 9 p.m. or at 9:30 p.m. whichever time I decide to post. Also, if you guys have any what is it called, video suggestions that you guys want me to do during this period, please let me know. I definitely have to get creative and pump out 20 videos. So yeah, any suggestions, any ideas will be greatly appreciated. So yeah, until next time, I'll see you guys. Well, actually, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.
Alright girls, so we are back and shabopping. Alright, so I'm gonna use some handy dandy tape to help me create a cut crease. I don't know if you want to say cut crease, but help everything just be neat and clean. And I'm using this bronzy warm tone as a transitioning shade. I feel like it would be a perfect transition shade for the look that I'm trying to create. And I always go in with my beauty blender and blend out my crease before I apply the eyeshadow, because if you don't, you're already going to start your game off wrong, because it's going to be creasing all over the place. So that's a quick tip. Just be sure to blend it out before you add the eyeshadow on top. So next I'm going in, I don't know the name of this palette, but I'm using this brown shade right here. Just check the description below, y'all. Every palette I use will be down there. And like I said, JUVIA'S place is very affordable. I love the sales that they always have going on in there. And let me tell you guys, their palettes are A1. The pigmentation on these things, sis, you gotta grab one. So the next palette I'm going in with is the 𝚘𝚘 39A. This is by Morphe. I'm using these 3 shades as well. I'm not even sure of the price on this, so I don't know if this can really be considered affordable, but I feel like Morphe's products in general are very affordable. But like I said, I don't know the price range in between them. So but I used those 3 shades and I mixed them. I layered them individually. I didn't just mix all 3 shades, even though I could have did that, but I just wanted that blended smoky eye effect. So I just decided to do it individually and blend them out. So I'm going in with this shade right here. It's a little darker. It's a little very heavy. Not very heavy, but slightly heavy. And I'm taking this little, I believe you can call it a tapered brush, and we're just going to put that on the outskirts of my eyelid, with the outer corner? Yeah, the outer corner of my eye. And I'm gonna blend in using that same brush. And if you guys are not into the game, I really be using like 1 or 2 brushes to get my entire makeup look, maybe 3, but I really just use that those 3 brushes to create my look. So now I'm gonna go ahead and create a base, because I want to try a cut crease. And I love creating cut creases, but I love watching people create cut creases, but I don't really think they come out that well when I try it. So I try to be very careful. I don't know why I said persistent. Very, very careful when it comes to it. But every time I blink, it just comes on the top of my eyeshadow. It'll be looking ugly. So I have to clean it up. And I'm going to use this color right here to set my eye primer base. And this is so it won't do that. But I should have did that before it started doing all that other stuff. But y'all know it's a learning process, really. When you set it, the primer won't, be going all over the place. So now I'm going to take this shade right here with that same brush that I used to blend out the other 3 shades. And I'm just going to place it on the edges of the cut crease because, we want everything to be blended and just looking very nice. Next, I'm going in with my Coastal Scents glitter. And this is in I think it's the shade Tropicana. Oh, it says right there, that girl. Tropicana. Y'all didn't mean to spill it. It just spilled. And I was like, oh, that's so pretty. I'll leave it in. Next, I'm going in with Hard Candy Glitter Stay. And I'm just going to add this onto my eyes. Basically, I put the glue on the brush. And then after I put the glue on the brush, I spread it out on my eyelid. And then I go back in with the glitter and just place it on top of it. I love this glitter glue because it's not wet. It's like sticky. So you won't have problems with it drying. It dried very, very quickly. It actually was drying while I was putting the glitter on. So I really had to keep dibbling, dabbling back into the glue. But I really, really love this glue because, like I said, it's not wet. You know how some glues you get is very, very wet and it's just making a mess. And then the glitter is sticking on top outside the cut crease. This wasn't giving me that vibe. So I really, really love that glitter glue. And it's going to be my go-to for now on. So now we are completely finished. I didn't get the whole thing because actually I was out of frame trying to make sure it was perfecto. So we're going to go ahead and just clean off our face from all that glitter with a makeup wipe. And we're going to go ahead and moisturize with Pond's moisturizer. I love this. It has my face just very, very nice and refreshed and not dry feeling. And any dry patches I have for my eczema, it just moisturizes it, okay? Because if y'all didn't know, I battle with eczema. And I'm tri-tone because of it, okay? So next I'm going in with ColourPop All-Star Matte and Blur Primer. I forgot I had this. And when I dug in my makeup bin and seen this, I was like, yes. This really feels so good on your skin. It's not sticky. And let me tell you, sis, when it blurs your pores, it's going to blow your pores. So next we're going in with the NYX Born to Glow. I am using the shade Sienna. And let me tell you, I really feel like this is my perfect match. Like, it looks a little bit yellowy orangey, but really once they oxidize it, it blends right into my skin tone. So this is one of my favorite foundations. I would say the coverage on this foundation is full. However, it is buildable. So be careful. You really don't need a lot. And I love it for the days that I don't like looking like I have foundation on, because then I can just put less on and I'm able to walk out the door. So that foundation has been my staple for the last couple of weeks ever since I got it. So now I'm going in with the Oldie. I had to bring out my OG, my LA Girl. No, it's like LA Girl or LA Pro. Oh no, I think it's whatever it is. Y'all seen it. LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is the shade Fawn, and I'm just gonna use that to highlight my under eyes. I didn't really want to use Fawn. I wanted to use Toffee because Toffee is a little bit more subtle. And Fawn, I just been really falling away from Fawn because it's a little bit of a yellow undertone and it makes your highlight underneath your eye very, very bright. So if you guys are into that, then this shade is perfect. But I wanted a more subtle look because my eyes was already glittery and I felt like I was doing too much. So next I'm going in with the JUVIA'S concealer. This is in the number 7. I'm just going to use this to contour. We got to make my face look a little bit more snatched. Y'all know I have a little round clump face and I just can't skip this step. I know some beauties out there, y'all able to just get right over contouring because y'all got that nice bone structure and that nice chiseled, I be hating low-key. So I'm just kidding. But yeah, I have to contour. So next I'm going ahead and set everything with my Sacha Buttercup. Sacha Buttercup has been my favorite for the longest of time, okay? Longest. And if you guys didn't know, with powder, if you guys want a matte finish to any foundation, if you add setting powder, of course, since your makeup is about to be matte. Now, I OD on the setting powder because I love a matte finish. I don't like a glowy finish because I look a little oily and greaseball-y, so I tend to OD on my setting powders. Next, we're going to go ahead and set the contour with the NYX matte bronzer. Like I said, I love matte. And this is in the color Deep Tan. Y'all, my favorite bronzer yet. Favorite. Next, we're going to go ahead and hold our face, spray our face with the extra the extra hold spray with, this is by Revolution. Y'all know I've been obsessing with Revolution lately. I love their spray, keeps your face intact. And it's like for if you're like very, very athletic. I'm not, but I'm using it today because it has your face sitting right. Next, we're going in with Stutter Lash by BH Cosmetics. I'm going to go ahead and prep my eyes with mascara so I can go ahead and put on my falsies. I was going to use Kiss eyelashes, but I didn't like them. I didn't like how it looked with the eye look. So I just plopped out my Tati lashes in the style TL3. And I think they're affordable because I think they're like, I don't know, $14, $15. Not a lot, but just a little bit extra for shipping because I think it's about $14 to the US, but shipping is quick. Like every time I order, I get it in the same week. So I'm just saying, I feel like they're affordable. And I love this mascara. Let me tell you guys something. And obviously, I think I received it as a gift. You know how when you order so much, they put free gifts in there or a sample? Sis, that mascara has been my friend forever. Okay, so I just wanted to make the inner corners pop just a little bit. And I'm sorry about my lighting. My lighting is going up, down. It won't sit right. But we're going to go ahead and highlight with the Master Chrome Studio. I don't know the shade of this offhand. I just don't be knowing stuff. But y'all be sure to check the description section below because all information will be there on each product I use, especially the lipstick. I was going to go for a bold red, but I wiped that red off because like I said, I got to take it one step at a time. I felt like a whole clown with red lipstick on because I never really wear like red lipstick. So sis, I put it back in the box and brought out my mocha. So this was pretty much my fall glam holiday look. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you guys think about the look. And of course, I'm not going to be doing voiceovers the whole time. I just did it for this video. I'm going to be doing talk throughs in my upcoming videos. So stay tuned and I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.